Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix copy and paste not working in Windows 10. Let's fix this guys. Go to start search menu and type cmd, run as administrator. Click yes. Here you need to go to description of my video and copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it, press enter guys. uh, this is blinking, the dash is. Now we need to type cmd space echo, press enter guys. Now another one command is there, cmd space tdh, press enter guys. Now go ahead and restart your PC. If it's working or not working means come to cmd again and type sfc space slash seannow, press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. The verification need to be 100% completed. After finishing 100%, go and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video guys.